Welcome to our video tutorial on how to enable and use YouTube Premiere notifications. If you're a content creator or a dedicated viewer who loves being the first to watch new videos, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about enabling YouTube Premiere notifications. These notifications allow you to receive alerts whenever your favorite YouTubers schedule a premiere for their upcoming videos. To enable these notifications, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open YouTube and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to the channel you want to enable Premiere notifications for. You can search for the channel name in the YouTube search bar. Step 3. Once you're on the channel page, click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Step 4. After subscribing, click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Step 5. A menu will appear with notification options. Choose All to receive all notifications, including Premiere notifications. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled YouTube Premiere notifications for that particular channel. Now, let's move on to how you can use these notifications effectively. Using YouTube Premiere notifications is a breeze. Once you've enabled them for your favorite channels, you'll receive alerts whenever a premiere is scheduled. Here's what you can do with these notifications. Be the first to watch. Premiere notifications will ensure you're among the first viewers to watch new videos. You'll get a heads up before the premiere begins, so you won't miss out on any exciting content. Engage with creators and viewers. Premieres create a chat room-like environment where you can interact with the content creator and other viewers in real time. You can share your thoughts, ask questions, and build a community around the premiere. Set reminders. If you're busy at the moment or unable to watch the premiere, you can set reminders for yourself. YouTube allows you to receive reminders in the form of push notifications or emails to ensure you don't miss out on the premiere. Join the countdown. YouTube premieres usually have a countdown timer before the video starts. You can join the countdown and get excited along with other viewers. Remember, Premiere notifications are specific to each channel, so you can enable or disable them as per your preference for each individual channel you're interested in. And that concludes our tutorial on enabling and using YouTube Premiere notifications. Now you're all set to stay up to date with your favorite YouTubers and enjoy their premieres. Happy watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more informative content. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.